माननीय गृह मंत्री अब हमारे बीच में हैं। हम इनका स्वागत भी करते हैं और तहे दिल से धन्यवाद भी करते हैं कि इतने बिजी स्केड्यूल से समय निकालकर गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी यहाँ आए हैं। मुझे लगता है कि सारी दुनिया भर की मीटिंग्स आज में ही समा गई हैं, लेकिन आपने फिर भी समय निकाला, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हमारे मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर और सीईओ मिस्टर M.K. आनंद हमारे साथ हैं और मैं उनको आमंत्रित करूंगी कि आज माननीय गृह मंत्री जी के वेलकम एड्रेस में कुछ शब्द कहें।
Thank you, Navika. Honorable Home Minister Sri Amit Shah, and all esteemed guests here, good morning and heartiest welcome from Times Network. For well over a decade and a half, Times Network has pioneered efforts in developing informed opinion amongst India's influencers and proudly been at the forefront of every landmark in the growth of the nation in these crucial years. Our first offering in India's leading English news channel, Times Now, may have been your port of call through some of the most defining moments in recent history. In 75 years of independence, India has taken long strides on all fronts of human development, infrastructure, technological advancement, etc. We truly have achieved a lot in building a vibrant nation and society in spite of many odds and challenges. We now find ourselves at a cusp of transformative change. Political, geopolitical, and economic and social dynamics are shifting very, very fast. Our burgeoning population is now on the verge of realizing aspirations that they've had for decades. The last 2 years have been a kind of forced pause that helped us rethink, review options, and reset our game plan. Completing 75 years seemed to be the right time to contemplate what we can be at 100. Considering the tantalizing options and possibilities, the next 25 years look like it can make all the difference. Raising the human condition of our population and getting our poorest to global average is a worthy and achievable goal. And when that involves 1/6 of the world's population, we are looking at making a difference to not just our nation, but to the human population at large. We are, as we speak, a revolution in action. And we are happy that at this juncture, we have leadership of the nature that the country currently has under the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister and the other leading dignitaries who lead the nation. To further this critical agenda of nation building and developing a comprehensive action plan for India's future, Times Network welcomes you all to the second edition of Times Now Summit. Over the next 2 days, we look forward to celebrating India at 75 while shaping India at 100. Policymakers, strategists, and influencers who are accountable for India's future are converging here to celebrate the achievements so far, take stock, and unearth directions the nation will take in the future. With a sharp focus on geopolitics and economics, India's trade strategy, path to a mega economy, evolving regional security strategy, international relations, opportunities in the Indo-Pacific theater, emergence as a vaccine engine, and the space race, all juxtaposed against the ever-changing dynamics of Indian politics. Every element that will have a telling effect on our future, and all will be discussed here. True to our band statement, we will strive to ensure that action begins here. Over the next 2 days, expect an immersive experience which gives you the leverage of knowledge and vision coming from several luminaries from India and abroad. We promise that you will go away from here with better vision and keener insights. Once again, I welcome you all to Times Now Summit. Thank you.